The NUL Sponsor Spotlight is a brand-specific digital storytelling system designed to highlight the awesomeness of the National Urban League Annual Conference from the point of view of a specific brand partner. Each video is optimized for distribution across specific social media channels, corporate website, or other select media. Why the NUL Sponsor Spotlight? Well, 2018 was our first year participating in the National Urban League Annual Conference, and we were tasked with developing custom content and curating several digital stories, including the National Urban League Power Notes, fueled by Shell, a conference recap, and 2019 sizzle reel. But I must admit, I was blown away by this conference. In my opinion, the National Urban League Annual Conference is one of the most complete urban empowerment conferences I've attended. This conference is a wealth of opportunity for sponsors, and these sponsors need a way to share the success of their participation, both with their internal corporate stakeholders as well as external champions. So in our idea, the National Urban League Sponsor Spotlight tells the conference story from the unique perspective of a target sponsor. And those sponsor spotlight elements would include an experienced host and narrator to open the story and narrate and tell the story throughout. Words from a brand executive delivering the mission and the purpose of the sponsorship. Attendee testimonials, sponsor-specific activation recap, general conference B-roll, brand-specific motion graphic, as well as custom animation themes. In short, the National Urban League Sponsor Spotlight is a digital storytelling system that allows a specific brand to tell the success story of the conference specifically from the lens of that brand.